Good morning, children. In ninth class, we have first chapter as real numbers. Okay. So now we discuss that one, real numbers. First chapter. Real numbers. Okay. Before going to discuss about real number, first of all, we recall some important sets. Already you studied in your 6th, 7th, 8th classes. Okay. What are they? Some types of, some groups of numbers are there, which we call it as natural numbers and whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Okay, these are types of sets we discussed already in our 6th, 7th, 8th classes. Okay, now once we recall that one by one. First one, we are going to discuss about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Okay, what are natural numbers? Anybody? You recall in your mind. Okay, what are natural numbers? Which numbers are used to count? Okay, in our daily life, which numbers are used to count? They are called as natural numbers. Generally, where we count, okay, from where we count? From 1 onwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay, there is no limit for counting. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. These are the numbers we use to count. So they are called as natural numbers. Okay, yes, we can represent natural numbers by n. N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the symbol to represent, okay, one fixed group. What is this? We can discuss in our 10th class. We will discuss later. Okay, just you mind it. N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay, this is one group of set. Okay, that symbol represents that these are one common quality. Okay, just you remind simply. Okay, right. You study, you know this, what are natural numbers, but you have to implement your thoughts on these natural numbers. Okay, by this set you can create a number of questions and number of answers. Okay, example, what is the smallest natural number? What is the smallest natural number? 1. Okay, what are odd natural numbers? What are even natural numbers? Okay, what is the highest natural number? Like this. Okay, like this, how many natural numbers are there? Like that you can create your own questions. Okay, only single line is there. N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. By seeing, if you let it that, okay, you don't remember for a long time. So by observing this set, you can create your own questions. Okay, yes, this is the set we have about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Observe that. What is the lowest one? What is the biggest one? How many evens are there? How many hearts are there? Okay, how many natural numbers are there? How can we represent by natural numbers? Okay, which alphabet we use? Why we use? Like that you can create your own questions and you generate your answers. Okay. Okay, in our formative you have one generating questions are there. Okay, there you can create like these questions. Okay, don't see your textbook. You can create what you learn from that. You can create your own questions. Okay, yes, natural numbers are over. Next one, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? There is not only a single definition for any mathematics concept. Okay, based on that main concept you can deviate into your own words. Here, what are whole numbers? Okay, what are whole numbers? Including 0, all natural numbers are called whole numbers. Okay, here what we understand, including 0, so you can take 0, including 0, remaining part is natural numbers. So you take, you know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? Including especially extra 0, remaining all are natural numbers. Including 0, all natural numbers are called as whole number. Whole numbers we can represent by capital W. W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, here it is the concept. By this you make number of questions. Okay, except okay, in this non-natural number is 0. Highest non-natural number is 0. Yes. Okay, what is the lowest whole number? What is the highest whole number? What is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers? Like this you can create your own questions. You can generate your own questions. Okay, yes, this is also already we studied in our 6th to 7th classes. Next one, integers. Okay, already you studied all those things, just I am recalling that one. Okay, right, here integers. Integers also we can call it as Zenith numbers. Integers also we can call it as Zenith numbers. Okay, integers. What are integers? Including 0, negative and positive numbers are called integers. Okay, including 0, positive and negative numbers called as integers. Okay, we can represent integers with capital Z. Why? Because also I said Zenith numbers, we can call it as Zenith numbers, so you can represent with Z. Z is equals to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Here also 1, 2, 3, so on. Already in our previous classes we discussed that one. How I write positive numbers here, negative numbers here. Why? This positive right side it should be increase the value. Okay, here decrease the value. Okay, if you any number, if you go right side it should be increase, from left side it should be decrease. You know that -1 is greater than -2, greater than -2 is greater than -3, -3 is greater than -4. Okay, already you studied that one, no need of discuss. Okay, right, these are Zenith numbers. For this you can create your own questions. Okay, what is the biggest one in -5 and 10? Like that you can create your questions. Okay, next one, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? Okay, which numbers are we can write in the form of p by q, where q not equals to 0. What it means in denominator, we don't have 0. Okay, if other than 0 in the denominator, that form which one we can represent in p by q form, it is called a rational number. Okay, for example 5 by 4, it is in the form of p by q, so it is called it as a rational number. Okay, sum 10 by 0, it is not a rational number. Why? Because in the denominator we have 0, but in definition we know that q not equals to 0. Here denominator is equals to 0, that is q equals to 0, so it is not rational number. Okay, which numbers are in the form of p by q, that number is called as rational number. For example, if take some numbers, 5 is rational number. Why? Because we can write 5 by 1 in denominator. You have nothing means then you have 1. Minus 6 also we can write minus 6 by 1. Okay, like this. So all natural numbers 1, 2, 3 we can write in the form of rational number. All numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 also you can write, okay, in the form of rational numbers. All integers we can write in the form of rational numbers. So natural numbers are, we can say it is rational number. All numbers are rational numbers. Integers are rational numbers. Okay, is it clear? Right. So all natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers are whole numbers. Right. Now you take one number, one rational number. It is 4 by 5. Here it is 4 by 5. I am taking a rational number. Is it belongs to natural number? No. Is it belongs to whole number? No. Is it belongs to integers? No. Okay, is it clear? All natural or rational. All are rational. Integers are rational. But some rational numbers need not to belongs to natural number, whole numbers, integers. Okay, is it clear? You take 10 by 100, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 100, like that. Okay, take any rational numbers. These all are not belongs to this any one of the set, natural, whole and integers. So all rational numbers are need not to be natural, whole and integers. But every natural number is a rational number, every whole number is a rational number, every integer is a rational number. Okay, is it clear? Right. Okay, right. About these sets, I make you here 3 questions for homework. Okay, here. What is the first one? Generate any 10 questions about these 4 sets: natural, whole, integers and rational numbers. Okay, first one, you generate any 10 questions about these 4 groups. Okay, now next one, define the sets naturals, whole, integers and rational numbers. Okay, you write your own definitions, own clarifications. For example, what is the natural number? What is the definition of natural number? How can we represent that natural number? What are there in natural numbers? Like that you can define your own. Okay, that 4 groups you define your own. After that, here yes or no questions are there. 0 is it belongs to Z, minus 5 is it belongs to Q, minus 3 is it belongs to N, 100 is it belongs to W, 9 is it belongs to Q. Yes or no questions. Okay, you complete these 3 questions and send it our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.